Google Sheets Tulelake Fair, Part 2, videos 1 through 11. Let's start with question 11. Study the image. How was the sale price calculated in column D? When you're taking the quiz, you can click on the picture and it will zoom into you so you can see it a little bit easier. So in column D, we have sale price. How was this number calculated? So recall when we do calculations in Excel, we have to reference the location of the values, referring to the cell address. So in this case, the sale price would have been calculated based on the weight and the price per pound. Because of the commutative property of multiplication, you could multiply this either as D6 times C6 or as C6 times D6, arrive at the same answer. Let's see what our choices are. Show number times price per pound, definitely not the correct answer. These are labels. Weight times price per pound. That sounds very reasonable. Let's see what else is out here. Net amount, no. Subtraction, we know we need to multiply. Price per pound divided, no, we need to multiply. Price per pound times the show number. Clearly, show number is a label. We can't add, subtract, multiply, or divide labels. So the best answer is the weight times the price per pound. Weight times price per pound. In this case, this 3,124 was calculated by 142 pounds times $22 per pound. Question 12. Study the image. How was the commission amount calculated in column F? Here's our commission amount. Well, a big hint would be to look at another column heading with the word commission in it, and in this case it would be the rate. So we're looking at a percentage based on the sale price. So the seller sold the animal for $3,124. They have to pay 6% of this value to arrive at the amount of the commission fee that needs to be paid. So that's going to be this 6% times this sale price, or the sale price times 6%. This is division, addition, another division. Here's multiplication. What's this? Price per pound times show number. Once again, show number is never going to be the correct answer because show number is a label. Sale price times the commission rate. That's the one that we're interested in. Sale price times the commission rate will equal the commission amount. Sale price times commission rate. 13. Study the image. How was the net amount calculated? So this is the amount that the seller actually receives after selling the animal, paying the commission amount, and then what's left over belongs to the seller. So then we're going to have to subtract the commission amount from the sale price. Well, there it is right there. Already selected. Sale price minus the commission amount. Which formula below would correctly calculate the commission amount in cell F6? F6. So the commission amount is going to be based on the rate and the selling price. Well, let's take a look and see here. We need to look at the cells D6 and E6. Well, there's a few of them. Equals D6 times E6. That sounds good. This is division, subtraction, D6 times C6, C6. No, that's over here, price per pound. We don't want that. G, definitely not G6. That's the net amount. So the best response here is that we would take D6 times E6. $15. Ryan says that 4 times 11 equals 15. What did he do wrong? Yeah, he added 4 plus 11 equals 15. 4 times 11 would equal 44. Question 17. Which formula below would follow the commutative property of arithmetic? Meaning that the order of operation could go both directions. So in this case, it's equals f6 times e6 because it's multiplication. Subtraction does not follow the commutative property because you get a different answer if you reverse the order of the operation here. f6 minus e6 would not be the same as e6 minus f6. And the same for division. That does not apply. You can't reverse the order of the operation and get the same answer, but you can with multiplication and addition. Which of the operations listed below is the shortcut for addition? Yes, it's multiplication. See, rather than if we wanted to add the number 5 4 times, we could do 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20, or we could simply say 5 times 4 equals 20. So multiplication is a shortcut for addition. 19. Which explanation below correctly identifies the reason why subtraction does not follow the commutative property of arithmetic? The answers are different when two values are subtracted in reverse order. That's the reason why. And number 20, how many hundreds are in the value 2,400? Well, you simply take the value 2,400 and divide it by 100. 100 would go into 2,400 24 times. Because it's 100, you could also use a little shortcut here and just note the number of zeros and move your decimal point back 2 places and you would arrive at 24. So that's going to conclude Google Sheets videos 1 through 11 part 2.